Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install Osu skin in order to change the visual effects and hit sound of your gameplay. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down over here and select your skin you want it and click on it guys. And here is a download option. Click on download and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on show in folder over here. After downloading, simply double click on the downloaded file. It will be opens up Osu. When the game opens up, you can access your option guys. In there you can able to go to the skin option over there. You can change your current skin and you can also preview in the gameplay guys. I can't able to show in game guys. My recorder is not working in game. That's why I'm not able to show it guys. I already have the Osu game over here. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.